Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Introduction to Geography. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about vitals to the course, not on the syllabus, that you also see on the course page, and I guess to provide some clarity to that as well. The syllabus is that you see, or it says syllabus on the course page, that's institutionally mandated to stay on the course page. But it is written for the traditional 16-week program, whereas we are uh, doing but 6 weeks, right? So there's the big difference there. So as far as we're concerned, you folks are going to be paying attention to the addendum on the course page, right? I'm going to be discussing the addendum supplement. And actually, the only things I'm not going to be covering that you could find that you're going to need to see on the syllabus would be the textbook that we're using. I can show you that right now. The textbook will be welcome, uh, Introduction to Geography, the 16th edition, right? 16th edition, which you will need. And the other thing, the course competencies, you could see if you're interested in those there on the syllabus, and the grading scale. And I can tell you about that right here, the grading scale, and for the college is standard fare, right? 90 to 100 today, 80 to 89 a B, right? 60 to 69 a D. Now, again, the point of this supplement is to address those changes um, from the posted syllabus. My course information, you could see that on the addendum. I'm leaving my office phone on there. If you so desire to give me a call, that's fine. I understand that. That would probably be my prescribed route too if I was a student. Or my desired route, my preferred route. Student evaluation. You're going to be evaluated on three things here: the discussion posts, which will be 30% of your final grade. Quizzes will be 50% of the grade, and the labs will be 20% of the grade. The quizzes, I'm going to be covering about 4 to 5 themes for each chapter. So I'm going to be covering about 2 chapters a week because this is a 6-week course, right? And so you're going to get about 10 to 12 questions each week on the quiz. Along with the discussion posts, you'll have until 11:59 p.m. each Sunday night for the 6 weeks we're in session to get those things submitted to me. I would say this about the discussion posts. I'm probably going to frown on this and lean on folks if they're not submitting their initial posts until Sunday. The problem with a lot of that is most people are finished by that point, and they can't glean from anything intelligent that you're saying because they're done. And at that juncture, and maybe the only people that will read it are our fellow procrastinators. But you do have till Sunday night. But I will probably make some suggestions to you if I see 2 weeks in there's maybe a pattern of getting things submitting those kind of late. Anything late, I'm a lover, not a fighter, but anything late, the discussion posts or the quizzes after 11:59 p.m. Without some professional documentation allowing me to know why you were late, I'm not going to accept the work. Now, you're going to have labs each week. The labs will be internet research, kind of synthesizing the themes that we were looking at for that particular week. So you'll have you have two of those a week, two of the labs. And for the late penalty for those would be 5% for each day they remain tardy. So the course outline, you'll be able to see that on the addendum. And let me see if there's anything else I want to say with this video here. I just about covered everything. Oh, I would say this too, point this out. With each week's module, you're going to see a link called Things to Know. And these are basically the things the features I'm going to be quizzing you on. And your reading assignments will be there. So I basically can't cover the entire chapter. I'll give you an overview and a lecture on that. But with the reading assignments, you're basically reading sections that I'm going to be quizzing you on, and they supplement the lectures. You're going to have option for lectures too. I'll have my lectures posted. So, for optimum learning, I would look at both of those. Okay, so I think that's it. Any questions or comments? Never hesitate to contact me either through writing or phone. Okay, so have a great semester, and I will be talking to you guys soon. My lectures will be posted online, and you can start on those as soon as possible. All right. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.